And welcome to Sea Sparkles Corner. I just wanted to show you where David's done the knobs. The upper ones he's gonna something else in mind for there, and the upper drawers he's got something else in mind for. So, but then he's put up the knobs. Everywhere. I think he's going to put a rod like that up above all the drawers. And so there it is, the final. Here it is in the final. We got all our beautiful knobs up in our kitchen. So we are progressing nicely. So we can just now take our hands, touch on the knobs, open the doors, and then close on the knobs. Here's the knobs. We don't have to try to struggle to open the door without any knobs. Knobs make such a big difference in comfort and everything. Hope you like this video, and as always, the fun never ends in Sea Sparkles Corner. Feel free to share. Feel free to subscribe. Hugs and kisses from my family to yours. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.